Hello everyone. So today we will discuss the Japanese particle to. So what does particle to means? Particle to is used. The meaning of particle to is with in Japanese language. So I will show you some. I will share the my notes as well, so you can see. Okay. So if you can see here, particle to. The meaning is with. If you add particle to with person or animal. Okay, so these are few examples I have added. So I have made the notes in kanji, hiragana, romaji, and English as well. So tomodachi to, the meaning of tomodachi word is friend, and if you add to, it means with friend. Koen e ikimasu. Koen is a park. Okay, so tomodachi to koen e ikimasu means I go to park with my friend. So here the particle to means with. Okay, so particle to is can be added after person's name or animal name. So then the meaning will become with. So for example, for I have added few images. Okay, next example I take it with the family. Here the example is kazoku to. Kazoku is a family. Meaning of kazoku word is to. For your understanding, I have written the Romaji as well. Kazoku to. Kazoku to means with. Kazoku is family. Kazoku to means with family. Hiru gohan o tabemas. Hiru gohan is a lunch. O is a particle. O tabemas means I eat a lunch with family. So this is the second example of particle to. I have added few more examples. So this is Kazoku. Kazoku means minasan wa kazoku desu. Kazoku means they all are family. So and somebody is saying Kazoku to means with family. I am taking a hirogohan lunch. Okay. Next example, I am adding the word teacher. Okay. So in Japanese language, the word teacher is called as a sensei. Sensei to hanashimasu. It means sensei is teacher. With teacher, hanashimasu is I talk. So I talk with my teacher. Hanashimasu is talk or speak, you can say. So this is the example. This is the image of for the teacher, and this is the student. So to particle is simply if you add a person name or animal name, it will become with. Okay. Next person or next name I added as a dog. So dog is called as a in Japanese it is called as a inu. Inu to. Inu means dog. Sanpo shimasu means walk. Inu to sanpo shimasu means I take a walk with dog. So this is how particle to is used in Japanese language. So this is the dog. Inu to sanpo shimasu. Sanpo shimasu is to take a walk. Next is added as a neko. Neko to. Neko is cat. Neko to asobimasu means I play with cat. So neko to means with cat. This is neko. Neko to asobimasu. Neko, this guy is playing. So neko to asobimasu means playing with the cat. So this is how particle to is used. The meaning of particle to is with person or with animal. So that is it for today. So of course you have questions or any doubts, you can comment. I will try to reply it as soon as possible. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining. Arigatou gozaimasu.